Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton. As I said yesterday, August is for allowing abundance. And so this is from yesterday. I actually just got the message today from George Pierce. Actually, George is so good to support other people in their business success. And so I comment on his videos, he comments on my videos, and we just go back and forth because we appreciate other business owners. And so George has this drawing that he does. It's kind of like a roll of the dice kind of thing online. So if you've commented on his videos and vice versa, you go into this drawing. And so he has what he calls a shout out winner. So I was actually in the rotation for that, and I won the shout out winner. So thank you, George. And so guys, supporting other people in business and in their success is a key to success. And so George is just going to blow things up just from that one thing that he does. It has to come back. It usually comes back tenfold. It can come back 30, 60, 90, 100-fold, 1,000-fold even. And so it's about what you sow. And so anyway, while I'm here, like I said, August is for allowing abundance. So I'm allowing business abundance, I'm allowing financial abundance, I'm allowing spiritual abundance, every area of my life. And so if you know about the law of sufficiency and abundance, guys, there is no lack. There's enough of everything for everyone. Okay, the universe is expansive. And so when you know that everything comes from one source, and just look at nature. Nature is a great teacher. Look at nature and learn that lack is a lie. And so we have a choice. We can either buy the lie of lack, or we can focus on abundance. So remember, exceeding abundantly above all, exceeding abundantly above all, exceeding abundantly above all. You're going to hear me say that every video because it is so powerful. It's because of the power of love, that infinite love that's in you. And so if you focus on that, instead of just maybe what you went to school for, that's called a limit. Maybe what your job is, that's called a limit. And so we can live a life of limitation or unlimited. Okay? Choose abundance. You're worthy and deserving of abundance. So thank you so much. Thanks again, George. God bless you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.